Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another motor here for sale. This one is a 1989 Yamaha. This is a two-stroke long shaft tiller. This one, let's see here, compression came back at 130 psi on all three cylinders. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. I do not guarantee that to be the correct prop for your boat. It's just hard to guess what's going to work for you, but it gives you somewhere to start. This one, new spark plugs, new impeller, new lower unit lube, and the carburetor's been off a few times. We finally found a pinhole, so we did a carb rebuild, and we'll go ahead and fire this one up. Pumping good water. Let it warm up here a little bit. When it first starts up, it's revving a little bit high, but it'll kick itself back down. There it goes. Put it forward. Neutral, reverse, go ahead and shut it off, fire it back up. Back neutral. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.